How on or turn off data saver mode on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable data saver on Twitter. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, then go down and click on settings and privacy, and go down again and choose accessibility, display and language option. And here you will find data usage option. Click on it and you will find data saver mode right here. You can turn it on by clicking on it or turn it off as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.